How to book your Bali hotel room by using mobile app. Welcome. Okay, now today I'm going to teach you or guide you or tell you how are you going to book your Bali hotel room by using mobile app. Okay, before you train to traveling to Bali. Okay, let's move on. Okay, first of all, you have to install the Bali Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video here at the description part. When you see this link, at the description part of this video, or you can pause this video and scan the following QR code with your mobile phone QR code scanner to install this Bali Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. After you have installed this Bali Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app, then you please follow this coming step-by-step video screenshot to book your Bali hotel room fast and easily before you travel to Bali for vacation and holidays with your family and friends. Okay, now let's move on. Once you install your Bali your Bali travel tour guide, you can click on this open, and then it will open the Bali travel tour guide app on your mobile phone. Then on the first row of this Bali travel guide app, you can see there is an icon here, hotel booking. Just tap on it or click on it. And then it will bring you to the hotel booking page. Whereby you can choose different hotels from this page, and also there is a price comparison here. Compare all the top travel sites with all the booking with all the hotel booking available in Bali. Now I'm going to enlarge the screen to let you see clearly how to book your hotel through this website via this Bali travel tour guide mobile app. Now when you come to this page, in the top left corner here, you can search your hotels in Bali by selecting your check-in date. Let's say I want to check in. The check-in date will be on 4th of February, and the check-out date will be 5th of February. And then I can scroll down, or if you don't have any specific dates yet, you can click on this one. If you have your check-in and check-out date, then you also can search for the room for how many persons, 1 adult, 2 adults, families, or room. Let's say I want it to be remain as 2 adults, then I click on search button, and it will search for me, which is going to have 1 night stay. Then I can scroll down to the bottom. This is the first hotel. It shows 4 star, and this one is 38.8 km from city center, downtown Kuta, and the review is good. Based on 4,443 reviews, it gets 7.9 score. And this is the price. And you can see this hotel, the One Legion hotel. You can see that it shows a different price where you can book from a different hotel booking platform, where you can click on here. You can click on here to view, or you want to select this, you just click on the arrow on the right hand side here. And also, if you want to see one more compare price from a different website, you can click on here. And now before that, I will scroll down to look at other choices. Book Bali, this is 8.8 fabulous score mark. This one has a 5-star rating. You can see the price. This one is there is a sea view. Okay, beach side sea view here. The next one, the following one will be the Banda Hotel Suite 9.3. Okay, super. Okay, 5-star rating based on 1,000+ reviews. Again, you can look at the price here, and in fact, you can click the arrow here on the picture to scroll the picture of this hotel. Okay, and this one also. Wow, nice view from the top. Wow. Okay, you can scroll. They got different hotels here you can choose from through this Bali Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app. Okay, where you can choose a very different and nice hotel room before you traveling to Bali. Okay, now let's say I want to look at this hotel. I want to compare more price. Okay, I click on here. Then it will show me another page that specifically to introduce this Nusa Dua Beach Hotel and Spa Bali. Okay, you can see the review here, the description here, and the provider here, the best deal, the provider here. And you can look at it, got 35 hotel offer breakfast included. You can see the different price with a different kind of rooms. Then you can choose from. Okay, you can click here to see 10 more. This introduce tell you the hotel features, general activity services, they offer internet, Wi-Fi, parking, and show you the check-in time and check-out time of the hotel. And this is the rating summary based on their cleanliness, dining, facility, location, rooms, and service. Okay, normally who stay in this hotel? There were solo travelers, most of them are couples, business travel, families, and group. Okay, you can scroll down to see more review from those that have stayed in this hotel. Okay, let's say for example, how am I going to book the hotel room through this app? Let's say based on the price comparison here, I decided to choose one of these. Let's say the first one is booking.com. I just click on view deal and then redirecting to the page in few seconds. Okay, then it will load me the page. Okay, and then you bring me to this booking.com hotel page via the apps, and then I still can select a few more different hotel here. Okay, let's say I want to book this hotel. I just click on it. Okay, I just click on this hotel, and then I click on this reserve for tonight. Say breakfast included, 1 bed, okay, 1 king bed. Okay, let's say I want to reserve and book this hotel. I just click reserve. Okay, then show me the price from per night, and I click on next step. You are almost done. Okay, then it's come to this page. Okay, for me to fill in the details, my personal details, my email address, and my country origin, my phone number. Am I who are you booking for? Am I the main guest or booking for someone else? Okay, let's say after I have filled in all the information, I can let them know am I traveling for work, okay, and what are the requests that I want, and is there any special request, I can write it down here or type it down here in English language. Once it is done, I click on go to final step, okay, and then it will redirect me to the page for me to make payment. However, because I do not fill in the name, okay, let me fill in my name here first. Okay, Alex King. Okay, Alex King alias email.com. Okay, link gas. Okay, then for me I have to select a country. Let's say I remain as Malaysia. I input my phone number, and then I scroll to the bottom of the page and click on go to final page to further reserve my hotel room process. Okay, now confirm my booking. Then I have to make the payment either via credit card or debit card. I just have to input my card number, my credit card information here. Okay, my cardholder name, my expiration date of my credit card, and click on complete my booking. Of course, this is a demo and guide you how to book the hotel. I'm not going to input my credit card details here. Okay, this is the final step 1. Complete my booking. It will show you, okay, the confirmation of this hotel room booking. Okay, and send the detail to your email address that you have just input. Now, when it is done, I click done to exit this booking page, and you can further explore to this Bali Best Travel Tour Guide, okay, mobile app by clicking more info and top places that tourists will visit when they traveling to Bali. Okay, there's more information about this app. You can further explore it by yourself. So where to install and download this travel to Bali or Bali Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app? It will be here. You can install the Bali Best Travel Tour Guide mobile app from Google Play Store by clicking the link below this video description, or can you use your phone QR code scanner to scan it and bring you to the page to install the Bali Travel Tour Guide. Make sure you remember this icon. This is the mobile app icon. Okay, icon. Okay, you can see this is the icon. Okay, this is the mobile app. Okay, besides that, you can further explore more travel guide app by clicking this blue landing app. You can scroll down. This is the other travel mobile app that you can install for booking other country, other places hotel room via their respective mobile apps. Okay, thank you. Goodbye. See you again. Bye bye.